Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll create a backup Google account now and secure it so it actually helps when your primary locks up. Start by signing up and choosing a unique, strong password. Store it in your password manager. Add a recovery phone number and an alternate email immediately so Google can reach you. Once done, set a simple profile and note the account credentials in a secure place, offline and encrypted, so you can access them when your main account is unavailable. Next, verify recovery details and harden authentication. Go to security settings and confirm the recovery email and phone are correct. That ensures account recovery flows work. Turn on two-step verification using an authenticator app or a security key for stronger protection. SMS is a fallback only. Generate backup codes, typically 10, and print or save them offline. Once these steps are complete, your backup account can regain access to services and serve as a reliable fallback. Finish by linking this backup account to your primary account's recovery options and export essential data with Google Takeout so you can restore files if needed. Test the recovery process. Sign out of your primary, attempt account recovery, and confirm codes and phone prompts arrive. If something breaks, try the troubleshooting tip. Clear app cache or use an incognito browser, then retry recovery from a different device. If prompts still fail, use the printed backup codes or your security key to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.